Hi friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. So today in this post, we are going to see this OnePlus Buds Z. Already I have a post on unboxing without any voice. Now, based on various requests from the subscribers, I'm just going to explain the concept of how this looks for the past 4 months. I've been using this. So let's see the review of this device, OnePlus Buds Z. The cost in Indian rupees is 2,700 bucks after some discounts, but the MRP is around 3,200 rupees, so you can get it. Now coming to this device, so the color white color, it was maintained smoothly for the past 4 months. So we have this is the case. So the case is again a wireless charging case, so you can able to charge it using USB-C port. Here this is a USB-C port, and nearby there is a button. This button is the reset button, so either you can pair and reset. So in case if you want to reset this device for the factory setting, you have to keep this button for 10 seconds. If you do it for 2 to 3 seconds, it is in the pairing mode. Okay, so now to give a demonstration of it, so what I do is I'll be using four devices. One is an iPhone XR, then iPhone 11, then OnePlus phone, and Android tablet. So I'll be using these phones. So first let me go with my, now this is on iPhone XR. So in this what I do is again I'll just open this and set the device for 2 seconds in the pairing mode. Yeah, once it become white color, so enable the Bluetooth, then open Bluetooth, then use OnePlus Buds. So once it is done, so sometimes the connection may not happening, so go to the Bluetooth settings directly, on and off or off and on, and you can select OnePlus Buds Z. Okay, so sometimes it suggests you to forget this device and then switch on and off. So I'm just switching off and off, and I'm just connecting now. So till the time it is in the pairing mode, yes, it's connected now. You can see OnePlus Buds is connected now. And some people have asked in the question that how do we know the battery percentage of the buds? So here you can see in the top here you can see near the headphone icon, you can see that there is a battery percentage. So that indicates the battery percentage of the buds here. Okay, so but since it is 100 percentage, I could not able to show, but I have seen a couple of times where the buds was only 50 percentage. I have just experienced it, so you can also experience that. But other than this place, it won't show anywhere else what is the battery percentage remaining on the buds. Okay. Now when I listen to the songs here, so I'll use Amazon Prime Music for that. So when I listen to the song, let me use the Amazon Music here. So one of the bud is on the right hand side, so this is the reset option here. So now let's say there's a song playing up. So now I am just wearing the buds on both my ears, because there is the sensor there, so the sensor detects whether the buds are been there inside the ear or not. So once it is there in the ear, so when you double tap on the right hand side, the next track is playing. So you can see here the next track is moving, but in the left hand side also the next track will be going on, because there is no customization in iPhones. But if you are using OnePlus phone, you can able to customize the right and the left according to the double tap. So that we'll be seeing in the OnePlus device. But in the iPhone device, so this is what happened. So whenever you want to control this, so if you happen to get any OnePlus phone, so then you can able to do the customization of both the ears. Both the buds on both the ears. So this is Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So this is a tablet. I'll be showing you how this gets paired with the tablet. Okay, so I'm just showing this on a landscape mode. So once I open this device, so once it is opened, so here the back side of the device, so you have two buttons. So this button, one of the button, this is the pairing button, the reset button. So I will be pressing this button for 2 seconds. So let me open it and open this button for 2-3 seconds. So the green color LED changes to white color. So once it is white color, it is in the pairing mode. So what I do here is I just open the Bluetooth option here. So here I have this OnePlus Buds Z is there. Just click this. So once it is clicked, and it is connected. Yes, it is connected for calls and audio. Now you can see it shows 100% battery remaining. So that means it is showing the battery remaining percentage for the buds. So these buds battery percentage is around 100%. So again it's closed. So again I will open it. Again I open it. Now this time it automatically connects. So connecting for audio, and you can see 100% battery remain. So now I will be using OnePlus 7 phone, which I purchased 2 years back, and I am just using the pairing mode of OnePlus Buds and then OnePlus 7. See in the OnePlus phone. So once it is see the couple of seconds here, it's in the pairing mode. Now when I switch on the Bluetooth, it automatically shows you that OnePlus Buds do you want to connect. So it appear on the devices linked with my email ID. Once you says connect, so the connection is going on and device connected. So only when it is in the pairing mode it connects automatically. It asks you to pop up an option. So some people have asked for that automatic option is not working. So maybe the older version of Android 10 and other thing it might not have worked, but in Android 11 it is working fine. Also not only this, this OnePlus we can able to, this buds we can able to control as well. So the control part is, so let me go here, this new device. So here now we can see left hand side 91, right hand side 94, and the buds case is 93%. Now when I click this settings icon, now it will be showing you various options, left 91, right hand side 94, case 93, like that. And you can have headphones and HD audio, AAC. So there are so many other things you can able to do. Even contact sharing also you can able to do. Now in the case of headphones here, now you can see the headphone. So this you can control. So double click on left ear, but what happens next track? So both are in the next track here. So what I do is double click on the next thing is I want to make it as play or pause. So double click on the left. So whenever I want to stop it, so double click on the right, let it be next track. But there are 4 options here: previous track, voice assistant, and play pause. So this way you can customize it. But in other devices like iOS, you cannot able to customize this because those options are not available because OnePlus is native to their own devices. But for the past 4 months I am mainly using my iPhone XR. So I go for walking every day around 1 hour to 1.5 hours. I just go. So whenever I go, I just use only this device. So for making calls and other thing. But hardly once, let's say if you are planning to go for a walk now, just charge it for 10 minutes. So you never had any issues. So you can automatically maybe whenever you need, you can come and charge it. Even the case is also fully charged so many times, and it is USB-C. So it is one of the added advantage for having this device. So what I suggest is, in case if you want to go for an Apple AirPods for 15,000 or 13,000 or 20,000 on a Pro, so what I think is you can go for this OnePlus Buds Z. You can go for. So in these 4 months, it never break me on even a single day. But only once, only one time, I don't know about the battery capacity of this. So I wore it and then I just went for a walk. But in the halfway, it stopped. So that means after I come and check the battery and one of the sides was 0%. I mean it's almost. Then again I put it for charging. So in all other times I never had this issue of this battery discharging fastly. It's good. So what my suggestion conclusion is, you can blindly go for this device without any hesitation. It never disappoint you. So thanks for watching my video. So in case if you are liking this video, please subscribe to our channel and please like and share. Thank you very much.